Now we will see non-restoring division operation. In order to perform non-restoring division operation, M is initialized with divisor, Q is initialized with dividend, A is the additional register which is initialized with 0. The size of A register is of dividend size. Count variable is initialized with n. N denotes the number of digits from the dividend. To begin with non-restoring division operation, we should check the sign of A. If MSB of A register is 0, then it indicates A is positive. If it is 1, then it indicates A is negative. When A is positive, the contents of AQ altogether must be shifted towards left, leaving LSB of Q empty. Then divisor is subtracted from A in order to update A. Subtracting divisor from A is equivalent to adding 2's complement of divisor to A. When A is negative, the A and Q contents altogether get shifted towards left by a single position and divisor is added to A in order to update this A. Then the sign of A checked in order to fill the LSB of Q. If A is positive, then LSB of Q is filled by 1. If A is negative, then LSB of Q is filled by 0. This indicates one iteration is over and the respective count is decremented by 1. So this procedure is repeated till count reaches to 0. Once count is reached to 0, sign of A is checked. If it is negative, then divisor get added to A in order to update A, and this final A provides us remainder and quotient can be obtained from the Q register. Same flowchart is explained here stepwise. With first step, A register is initialized with n number of zeros. N denotes the size of dividend, that means the number of digits from the dividend. With second step, M get initialized with divisor. With third step, Q get initialized with dividend. With fourth step, A and Q are concatenated so that this A and Q get shifted towards left altogether. Fifth step is iterative one, with which sign bit of A is checked. If it is 0, then AQ are shifted towards left by single position and M, that is divisor, gets subtracted from A, which is equivalent to adding 2's complement of M to A. If A is negative, then AQ are shifted towards left by single position and M get added to A. Then sign bit of A is checked in order to fill LSB of Q. If it is positive, then LSB of Q, that is Q0 bit, is filled by 1, otherwise it is filled by 0. Once this iterative process is over, sign bit of A is checked. If it is 1, which indicates that A is negative, then divisor get added to A. And from this A we get remainder and from Q we get quotient. Let us see non-restoring division operation with an example. 46 is divided by 23. 46 is dividend and its binary representation is 101110, which is stored in Q. Divisor is 23 and its binary representation is 010111. This is stored in M. In non-restoring division operation, when A is positive, divisor is subtracted from A, which is equivalent to adding 2's complement of divisor to A. In case of our example, divisor is 010111 and its 2's complement is 101001, which is denoted by M dash. Now we'll see how non-restoring division operation works. Q is storing dividend 101110. As it is 6 bits long, A register is initialized with 6 zeros. Count is initialized with 6. Now starting with the first iteration, MSB of A is 0, which indicates A is positive. So when A is positive, we have to shift AQ altogether towards left by single position, with which LSB of Q becomes empty, and then we need to subtract divisor from this A. So when we shift AQ towards left, this MSB of Q comes at the LSB position of A, and LSB position of Q becomes empty. Next is we have to subtract divisor from A, which is equivalent of adding 2's complement of M to A. A is 0000001. On adding 101001 to it, we get 101010 output that is stored back to A register. Q remains unaffected, which is 01110 with blank LSB. In order to fill this LSB of Q, we should check the sign bit of A, which is 1. That means A is negative and Q0 is filled by 0. With this, first iteration is over and the count is decremented to 5. With the second iteration, again we have to check the sign bit of A, which is 1. That indicates A is negative. Combined AQ gets shifted towards left by single position. So LSB position of Q becomes empty. Then we have to add divisor to A. A is 010100 and divisor is 010111. So adding this, we get output 101011, which is stored in A register itself. LSB of Q is empty, so it is filled by checking the sign bit of A, which is 1. So LSB of Q is filled by 0. With this, second iteration is over and the respective count is decremented to 4. Now beginning with third iteration, the sign bit of A is checked. As it is 1, A is negative. So A and Q altogether get shifted towards left by single position, leaving this LSB of Q empty. A is 010111. From to which this divisor get added, which is 010111. On addition of this divisor, we get 101110, which is stored back to A register. Q remains unchanged, which is 11000 with empty LSB. This could be filled by either 0 or 1 depending upon the sign of A register. A is negative, that's why this Q0 is filled with 0. And on completion of this third iteration, the count get decremented to 3. With fourth iteration, again the sign bit of A is checked, which is 1, means A is negative. So A, Q altogether gets shifted towards left by single position. LSB of Q becomes 0. A is 011101. M get added to it. On addition, we get 110100. This is stored in A register. Q is 10000 with empty LSB, which is filled by 0 by checking the MSB of A, which is 1. With this, four iterations are over and the count is decremented to 2. Now beginning with fifth iteration, MSB of A is checked in order to decide the sign of A. As it is 1, A is negative. So combined AQ gets shifted towards left, leaving LSB of Q empty. Now A is 101001. Divisor get added to it to get sum 000000, which is stored back in A register. Q remains unaffected, which is 00000 with empty LSB. In order to fill this LSB of Q, sign bit of A is checked, which is 0. So LSB of Q get filled by 1, with which fifth iteration is over and the respective count is decremented to 1. Beginning with sixth iteration, sign bit of A is checked, which is 0. A is positive, so combined AQ gets shifted towards left, leaving LSB of Q empty. A is 000000. M dash is added to A because here we found that A is positive. So on addition of 2's complement of M to A, we get 101001, which is stored back in A register. Q remains unaffected, which is 00001 with empty LSB, which is filled by 0 as MSB of A is 1, which indicates A is negative. With the completion of this sixth iteration, the count is decremented to 0. Then sign bit of A is checked whether it is 0 or 1. As it is 1, A is negative. So when A is negative, divisor get added to A, and this addition results in 000000 sum, and that expresses the remainder, and quotient is obtained from Q register, which is 000010. So this is how non-restoring division operation works.